to the channel. I know it's been like a little while since I last uploaded, so in this video we're actually going to be changing the exhaust again. I've literally had it with this exhaust system. It's been nothing but header leaks, gasket leaks, clearance issues, so time for an upgrade. Let's get it off. Look at the header and look at the transmission lines. That's problem number one. Look at that. All out now. This old junk. Finally out with all this crap. Time to upgrade. Alrighty, we're on a road trip to Hervey Bay, picking up a new exhaust system. We got a 3-hour trip ahead of us. Alright, it better be good. We'll see you then. Just picked up the new exhaust system. Yeah, now another 3.5 hour back to beautiful Brisbane. So we can now see the clearance of the transmission lines way better with these X-Force headers. No clearance issues whatsoever. Happy as. Alrighty, got the new exhaust in. X-Force 3-inch. So it's got the 7 series front on it with the headers. And it looks like mild steel after the middle section. But yeah, let's start it up and see what she sounds like. Take 2.
The exhaust starter, yay!
Alrighty, so now I'm doing a little bit of tuning with the new headers. The fuel trims are out just a little bit, so I'm just going to touch that up a bit. But other than that, this is such a big improvement over the Empire system. It drives so much nicer. But yeah, just giving it a little bit of a tune, just to fix up the fuel trims, make them all where they should be. I'm starting off with the mass airflow first, and then I'll do the volumetric